Aside from music, thank you so much for buat Kadin Wizard kepada Umi, because you're like a mother to me already.
Love you forever. Thank you.
Realitinya, korang bertujuh ada di final, tetapi Alpha belum terbentuk.
This is OT7!
Saya juga tujuh anak-anak ni, and I'm very happy for them. I think they all work very, very hard.
You will always be inside my heart. It's sumo.
Impian orang jadi kenyataan tu seronok tau. I tengok orang jalan kat pavilion, orang minat macam melambai. I see their faces. Saya tengok.